and so you can also see that it extends all the way up to the ceiling, and as you can see that these little pipes right here indicate the dark energy and the blackness that it's holding, and you can see the rusted pipes right over there. So it's holding that energy of that phenomena of that kid being smashed, but the actual act of him being smashed also, including the actual act of him being smashed. You can see, you can tell the metal is really cold. It's holding cold energy, coldness, just like a combustion engine has different temperatures, and that's what it's holding, the phenomenon of these elements put together in a particular way.